won't slow down, building my empire in this buzzing town, casting my vision on the silver screen, my funded life, a vivid sheen, my funded futures, light the way.
Denny, what's up, everybody? Tuesday night, let's go. What's up?
Go.
Let's go. Look at this gold. Unbelievable. 15 just reversed the buy. What's up, Denny?
Hey, how are you? How are you? Look at that gold.
Look at that gold. Right off the lows, 39.10 this morning. Yeah, I would take a scalp short up here if it gets to the 81.80, 82.80 to 89.80 range. What's up, Denny?
How are you? How are you?
I'm good, man. I'm good. Florida, 87 degrees here today, man. 87.
Must be nice. Must be nice.
87. So, Denny, you know, we got to get these. A lot of people were telling me that they love that. So many people today texted me and called me and said, you know, thank you so much. I never traded gold ever. And it's helping me actually pass the evals. And another thing I've told a lot of people, a lot of retail people who are trading a lot of these prop accounts really don't know how to trade the NASDAQ, you know? And a lot of people, I told them how to trade the NASDAQ effectively using the underlying ETF. But a lot of them also said, hey, you know, I switched from the NASDAQ to the S&P and I'm killing it. So a lot of good feedback here, you know, a lot of good feedback. I just wanted to share that with you there.
That's great to hear, because it's nice to hear people saying nice things for everything that you're doing, because honestly, you deserve it, you know?
Well, we both do.
Literally out here teaching people for free.
I cover this gold below 80.5 if you're short. I mean, you know, like today, right, we were gold rallied from like 35 up to like 75, 85. And I had nothing but sells on the 30 and 60-minute time frame. Yeah, I saw a couple of little bull flags here or there, you know, on the after it went from 64 down to 54. But I said, you know what? It's just too risky and I was being disciplined. So we probably took about 15 to 20 shorts. Everyone was a winner, right? So someone said, well, why don't we just buy it? I'm like, because they're probably up about 25 points on gold on the shorts versus buying it, and God forbid it gets cabooshed because the 30 and 60-minute time frames were really in big, heavy sell mode. And then the 30-minute time frame finally kicked in on the short, and it dropped 25. So, you know, the one thing people have to remember is that when you can trade using technicals and fully understand the technical patterns, it's a game changer. It's a game changer. Especially so many people don't even know how to use the underlying ETFs during the U.S. session. And I think that's a big mistake. Big mistake. Big mistake. Today, I'll show you here. You can see, for example, I don't know if anybody trades oil, but we had a really great short pattern in oil off the 30-minute. I put the 30-minute here since I'm blacked out here. So the 60-minute time frame, just to show you this really great pattern, the 60 reversed to sell here on my algorithm. The MACD is negative, blue over yellow. And look at this bounce right here, Denny, into the negative MACD, rising ADX, big selling pressure. Oil dropped 40 cents on that. 40 cents. Hey, I short this gold up here. I go 83.5 to like 89.5, 90.5 range. But these patterns really set up here, you know. And if you could master these patterns, it's a game changer. You know, it's a game changer, you know. So anyway, I just wanted to show you some stuff here, you know. Anyway, good to see you, my brother. How's Luke doing?
Looks good. Looks good. Busy as ever. Super busy.
I know. You guys are, I'm telling you, my funded futures, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. And, you know, I got to tell you, so many people are really happy with what you guys are doing here. And I'm just really, if you, with this gold, just lower this gold to 82.80 if you're short here. 82.80 if you're short here. Just dropped. Did it hit 83.5? I think it might have just now.
No, it missed it by
83.80 right here. 83.80. If you're short, lower your stops. Anybody short that gold above 83.5? Jonathan, you get it?
I didn't catch it.
Okay. All right. Again, that's a non-confirmation. The MACDs are non-confirming the highs here. So the high was, if you want to go back in, probably go like 83.5 to 90.5 range. So another thing, let's see, Caboose the gold. I agree. How many people are new? So last night, I want to be clear. You know what I did, Denny? Last night, I gave out my cell phone number, and I said for people who want a 7-day free trial to my live stream, I gave every one of them, okay, a free trial, right, to the 7 days. Now the catch is, number one, if I find that you're cheating, we can track this, right? So you can only enter once, and you can't re-enter again for 3 months because I got to give people a chance. All right. Second, I gave everybody who texted me with their full name and email a free code for 7 days free. Right. And just to give everybody an opportunity, this gold just dropped 4. Okay. So again, I'm going to do it again maybe tonight. I'll see, because the raffle, it was just too much. So what I said was, if you want access to my live stream for 7 days and you won already, or you got the email, guys, we're tracking it. So you can't fugazi me here. Right, Denny? You know what I'm saying?
Right.
And if I find that you something fugazi, you're banned for life. It's over. OVA, over. Right? So anyway, I'm trying to do everything I can. MyFundedFutures has given out 668. I've given out probably 220, 230 free access, you know, and we're streaming for free. And MyFundedFutures is sponsoring tonight. I'm hosting it. And you know what, guys, we should have 5,000 people on this channel at night, really, to learn, to understand trading, learn diversions, patterns, learn, and learn even more. Okay, that's all I have to say. Right? What do you say, Denny?
I agree.
Okay. All right. And people who are gonna send me texts and say I didn't get the live stream, I didn't get this access, Aaron sent everyone out. So please don't think that, you know, we'll check it, but if I find you're lying, beyond you're worse than double secret probation, you're banned for life. Okay? Banned, right? Arton, what's up, Arton? Man, I'm exhausted. I was watching the Dodger game till 3:30 in the morning, Denny.
I know. I heard they had 14 innings.
18
innings. Oh, yeah. It was doubled. I was thinking about the Yankee game back in 1998. I was hearing about it this morning that their game lasted for 14 innings.
18 innings. Can you believe it?
That is crazy.
Oh man. Anyway, the gold just dropped 6 just now here. 6. You know, it's been trading a lot. Really great patterns. This is oil during the day here. So let me show you this other great pattern. If you guys can see this here, and I'll move it over here on the 5-minute time frame. This is called the pencil pattern. Okay. If you go back to the gold here, this is called the pencil pattern right here. When you got to push down like this here, Denny, you see this right here? Look at this.
Where's the
72 down to 30? Did you see that?
Look at gold.
Yeah, gold got cabooshed.
Yeah, I see. Then that I just got out of that sale.
Okay, so do you see that? That's called the pencil pattern. That's 72 down to 30. That's 42 points, right? The negative MACD, you short the next bar. Look at that. It's 58, 62, and look at that drop. That is an absolute Picasso. This is called the pencil pattern. Normally, when you get something like this, you like to short within the bar, or you wait for the next bar and the push up near the 10 bar. Look at that. So gold rallied 30 up to 62. You take the short anywhere from 55, 57, 58, 60. Who gives a crap? Look at the negative MACD here. And then look at the next bar. Boom. 62 to 51, 52. Boom. All the way down to 40. That's an absolute Picasso. Gold just dropped $9 just now.
Yeah, I just got out of that is what I was trying to tell you.
Oh! I thought you were saying on the pencil pack. Good
No,
job.
I meant right now. I just got out of it right now.
Yo, you were short up there?
I was.
Damn straight. Danny's on fire.
I made $1,500 on that.
There you go. There you go. That's the cabooshin. So again,
so
that
Ethan,
strategy is based upon a cell divergence, Denny.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Or I know I was just because chat was asking. I got in at 81, and then I just wrote it down for $1,500 to 75.
Yeah,
Three
but
times.
the real pattern was above 83 and a half.
I didn't get into it. I didn't get into it at that time though. I wish I would have.
So I'm Michael Jacques, right? 7 minutes. Now this gold reverse to buy here. You may have to take a long on the buy reversal here, but we'll watch it. So right now, if you look at gold, the 15-minute time frame is in buy mode right here. Just reverse to buy. Just got caboose down to 73. Then the 30-minute, boom, is bullish here. What a bear flag. Oh, my God. And then you look at the 60-minute, boom. Look at that. See this pattern right here, Denny? When it pushed down, look at the positive MACD on the 60. See that? You could have taken the long and then taken the next bar for a short, but you got to be really careful being short to go. If this gold gets down to the 67 to 74 and a half range, I'll probably look to buy it if we get another push down here. But we'll watch it. You got all three time frames in buy mode here. Okay. Now, obviously, with the market being closed, right? The GLDs, look at it go right back up. The GLDs are what do you call it? Do not trade. Okay, the GLDs do not trade. Okay. All right. How many people are new here tonight? How many people are new? We only got 362, Denny. We got to pump up the volume.
I'll share it in the Discord in 1 second. Granted, it's already been shared 4 times in Discord. Chat, help us out. Share it. Tell all your friends, your family, your grandma.
Where's Arton? Arton, call your cousins. I love saying that. Arton right now. Arton, which 66 and a half, 74 and a half range. Arton's busy watching the Dodgers tonight. He don't care about nothing. Forget it. I'm exhausted. Arton's exhausted. Okay, we're exhausted. All right. Me and Arton are going to the Michigan Ohio State game November 29th in the big house, Danny. I love college football, but I'll be freezing my tuchus off. And I don't like to be cold, but I'm just gonna experience it once in my life, right? You got to do that, man.
You have to. You always experience at least something once in your lifetime.
Well, I went to university. I went to the Orange Bowl when Miami was playing Florida State, and I was wearing a Florida State jersey. I must have had my head examined. I was crazy. Everybody with the big U, they wanted to behead me. I was like, oh, that's what, but I also was like 245 pounds, and I didn't feel anything back then. So I guess that was a stupid thing to do. I know. I see. I was just showing that. Oh my God. It's gonna be freezing, Arton. Can you believe it? I'm going to the big house with Arton November 9th. Oh my God, that's gonna be fun. Fly in on a Friday afternoon, probably take Friday afternoon off. Get there, go get a steak dinner, a couple of scotches, get warm, walk around the campus, right? And then bam, right to the game, 10 o'clock. It'll probably be college game day. You might have to be out there like 3 o'clock in the morning. Get good seats. Yeah, I'll tell Arton, you go from 3 to 5, and I'll come from 5 to 7 to hold the spot. Oh my God. Can you imagine 2 lunatics? I'm doing it though. I don't care. You only live once. So you're cold for 10 hours. Big deal. I went to Michigan. I went to Notre Dame, Purdue, when it was Drew Brees' last game at Notre Dame. Damn, that was cold. I thought I was gonna die. The wind was blowing in Notre Dame. That was cold. Damn straight that was cold. Damn, that was cold. All right, let's cancel this gold. Actually, if this gold, I would lower the gold. Let's go 66 to 73 and a half range if it pushes down here. Yeah, Geraldo, exactly. All right. If we get to 500, Denny, what are we going to do? 600. We're going to do something special?
If we get to 600 tonight, I'll do 20 giveaways.
20 giveaways for 600. We got to get going here.
If we reach 1,000, I'll do 30 giveaways.
No, if we do 1,000, we should do 50. Make it something special.
All right, I'll do 50, but it has to be people that stay for the entire.
No, right.
show.
You got to be here for the name to be called. When he posts the link, you should sign up.
Everybody should sign up.
Everybody should sign up.
Is that tonight?
But it's every night. MyFundedFutures, when he posts the
I will
link.
not do no dance. Rocky Mount Traders.
Okay.
I don't want to give a warning whenever I post the sign up because then whoever's just listening to it, like not actually paying attention to it, they'll stop whatever they're doing to run back. I want people that are actually going to be paying attention to the show.
I had the right entry on the gold. It just went from 74 to 78. I raised it. Go 67 and a half to 74 and a half range.
Well, you got to be quick with silver, Wyatt. Silver is like, it's a monster. Either if it's going in your way, it's going to keep going your way. But if you get in thinking, oh, it's going to keep going that way, and it turns around, I hope you have a stop because it will take you out quick.
You know, can I just say something? I'm going to just tell everybody something. Do you remember about 4 or 5, 6, 7 or 6 nights ago?
Mm-hmm.
Gold was trading. This is true. Gold, there were 2 things that set me off. Gold was trading 43.91 and silver was only trading 51.60. I said, so gold's making a new all-time high and silver can't take out that high of 53 and change. Let me just see what that high was right here. Silver, the high, whatever, 53.76. So when gold was trading 43.91, S&P gold just ran 5 on that pullback, and silver couldn't make the new high. Silver was literally 2 cents below the new high, and then I checked a stock called Dust, D-U-S-T, and Dust did not make a new low that day. I said it's when gold would make a new high. The prior low was 861 and the day low was 930. I said gold's gonna get kabooshed. And man, did it ever. Gold down 400. So anyway, just wanted to share that little story with you. That I was able. Anybody buy that gold on that pullback, on the first pullback on the 5? Geez, I should have stayed in it. Okay.
Someone's asking me about NASDAQ. I'm going to be honest. I don't give analysis at night for NASDAQ just because the market's unpredictable during the nighttime. That's why
it's unpredictable anytime. Look at that gold go. Look at that gold. Take note, Marvel. There's 400. Let's see here. So that pattern was the first pullback on the 5-minute. I went 74 and a half, then I went 73, and then I know. Then I said cancel it. I lowered it, but if you caught the long on the gold, good job. Anywhere from 4 to 5 points. So when he posts the link, sign up for it.
Okay, on Discord?
It's in MyFundedFutures. What did you post that yet, Denny?
No, not our link yet. I usually post it between 8:45 and 9:15.
Okay. So when he posts it, you guys should sign up.
Okay, and I gotta get the link from Discord.
Yeah, but he'll get it. He'll give it out. All right. How many people are new here tonight? If you're new, and only if you're new, okay, I may do a giveaway to some giveaways to my live stream for 7 days free. Only if you're new. So if you're new, put a 1 up. All right.
Steven,
Yeah.
Murmur FX or Memer FX said, "What do you think about Nasdaq tonight?"
Oh, is he asking me? Oh, I didn't
Well,
hear that.
they asked me, and I said I think it's just too unpredictable during nighttime, so I don't give analysis.
Yeah, so I'm sorry, I didn't see that. So I'm thinking here, you got the 15-minute time frame. Okay, this is what I'm looking at right here, the 60-minute. This 60-minute, I think, could drop, but then I think the 60s are going to turn up here. Just here's the thing that's okay. You want to see something really fugazi, okay? But okay, to answer his question, I think you're going to get one more push up off the oversold condition on the 60-minute time frame, okay? But can I just show you guys something? Look at this. I want to show you this to you, okay? You want to see something on crack, right? Look at this. This is 60-minute Qs. 1 gap, 2 gap, 3 gap. These 3 gaps equal 22 points down to 611. 611. 611. Okay? I don't look at the Nikkei. Okay? What are you talking about, Zachary? I don't look at the Nikkei. Okay? Good job, Sonny K. But you see these 3 gaps? This is not sustainable.
I do think it's going to tank. Before too long, it's going to come back down.
So can I just read can I just read 2 things to you? This is what my friends were saying. You know, can I just say, I'm going to read this to you. This is from a very, very smart portfolio manager. Okay, look, guys, listen to this, please. Okay, here's the first thing. Ready? I'm going to read it. The 65 trillion market cap of the U.S. stock market is 25 trillion higher than it was at the end of 2022. The growth in the market cap is less than 3 years. The growth, just the increases alone, is higher than the total market cap of Japan, all of Europe, all of the UK combined. The growth is even higher than all of China's equity market value. And this is with almost no positive return from U.S. small cap or mid cap sectors at all. Are you crazy? We're going to get kabooshed. Now, I was at dinner with my friend tonight, and unbeknownst to me, and he's mentioned this to me before, okay, that come March of 2026, the United States of America has got to make due on $12 trillion of bonds that are going to be expired, that are going to have to be converted. We have to pay back $12 trillion. We don't have $12 trillion.
No.
Okay. So he said, you know, the market and the administration knows this. That's why Trump wants interest rates down as much as possible. But gold just rallied 10. But it's not that they know about it. There's nothing they could do. Who's got 12 trillion? And if you're fighting with China, China doesn't have $12 trillion to give us to reissue new debt. You know what I'm saying? So my friend said to me tonight at dinner, and this guy worked for one of the largest sovereign funds in the world. Listen to me carefully, in the world. Okay? And I'm telling you, this guy said, look out below come the beginning of the year. Because it's going to be, everybody's going to talk about it. Who's going to come up with $12 trillion? All these bonds are maturing. Who's going to be paying this off? Who's going to be writing that check? I'm telling you, it's going to kabooshin's coming. Last but not least, from another big hedge fund manager, okay, look what he wrote, okay? Let me read if I can read it here. Today's S&P all-time high will make the history books. It will happen with the most negative market breadth at an all-time high on record. I say short the world.
Short.
Short the world. Where's the bear? That's what I'm talking about. That bear is going to be coming out of the woodwork. Oh, yeah. You know, I'm telling you, that bear is going to be coming out. I'm telling you. Nationalize the market and pay the debt ain't never happening. Okay? Rocky Mountain, you saw the post? All right? Roar. Forget about it. All right? So that's what I think. That's what I think. All right? That's what I think. I think that the market's going to get cabooshed. And I told you, you have gaps all the way down to 5,100. Now, I'm not saying it's going to happen tomorrow. I think they're going to try to keep the market up. What are we up about? 15%, 17% for the year?
I think they're going to try and keep the market climbing for at least the rest of the year.
Yeah. Then I think 2026, you short the world.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay?
They're going to short it. And then they're like probably about, I say probably Q3, they'll try and start bringing it back up again.
Look, I've been around for 43 years. I've seen the long-term capital of the hedge fund in 1998. I saw the dot-com bubble. I saw 2008, the subprime market. I saw 2001, obviously, with the terrorist attack. All right. I saw COVID. I saw negative 40 oil. I saw the Dow down 3,000. I've seen a lot. Okay. But I'll tell you right now, what's coming is going to be a cabooshin. A cabooshin.
Believe it or not, I didn't look into any kind of trading until COVID time.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. The Chinese market, well, 840 is when the gold starts getting can I just show you another great pattern today? And this is off the 60-minute time frame. I want to show you this great pattern here. Okay. I want to show you this really, really, really great pattern today. Look at Bitcoin, if I could type. Look at this beautiful pattern. I called a short in Bitcoin. I said, look to short Bitcoin 115,500 to 115,600. Use 116,450 stop. Now I'm going to make this smaller for all of you, if I can. Okay. You see this here? Here's Bitcoin. Look at that. You tell me if this MACD made a new high. Non-confirmation. You talk about a cabooshin, that's a cabooshin. Okay? That's a cabooshin. All right? That's a non-confirmation. I couldn't believe what I was seeing. IBIT, cabooshed off the highs. Okay? Bitcoin, all right, went immediately down 2,000 points. Okay? All right? Now, watch this pattern. Let me see if I can do this here. Make this a little bigger. Look at the 30-minute time frame. The 30. Look at this beautiful bear flag right here. Overbought 13,300. Okay. Dropped about 600. Look at this beautiful bear flag. Overbought, negative MACD. Overbought, big selling pressure. Overbought, ADX rising. Look at that. Look at the 60-minute. Beautiful. You see that? The 60 reverses to sell right here at 4 o'clock. And what do? You short the bounce on the 15 and 30. It's a set pattern. Kabooshed. Do you see that, everybody? Do you see that? That's a set strategy. You know? That's a set strategy. Right? All right. Anybody new here? Put a 1, please. Anybody new? Yeah, I said to look to buy the gold on that pullback. All right. Huh?
On the 80.
On the 80.
Go long on 80.
What are you talking about?
Gold.
I said look to buy gold 74.5 before. What are you talking about? 80. Whatever you're on, send me a case. What do you mean 80? All right.
I went long on 80.
All right. Again, if this gold gets up to the 85.5, I look to short it. All right. If those of you are new, okay, and have never been here before, if you like a 7-day free trial, you can text me your full name and email. Your full name and email okay, to my cell phone, 914-500-7484. I am not doing a raffle. Too complicated. So if you guys want a free trial, 7 days, and if you win, you cannot win again for 3 months. Period. Okay. So if you want, okay, you want to text me, you want to join my live stream for 7 days for free, 9 to 5. You don't get the chart overlay. You don't get the member Discord. You're just getting my live stream in nanosecond. If you like, you could text me your full name and email. If you don't text me your full name and email, I'm deleting the text, period. I'm just telling you right now. I'm too old for this. Okay? So if you want it, it's yours. And we'll send it out to you first thing tomorrow. Okay? All right? Again, 914-500-7484. I'll give you free access for 7 days to my live stream. The condition is once you get it, you cannot win again for 3 months. However, I will tell you, if I find that you guys are being fugazi and changing your emails, and we have access to ways to know that, you're banned for life, period. You're finished. It's over. Okay? All right. Gold, if this gold, let's see if this gold can get up to the let's see if this gold gets up to 86.80 to like the 93, 94.80. What's the score to Dodger game? Any score in the Dodger game? Any score? No score here?
0-0.
0-0? These guys must be exhausted.
Top of the second.
And I'll tell you know what killed me, Artan? Is that the stadium was packed. These people didn't leave. Man, they got their money's worth. So I think Ohani did something special last night, right?
99.
9 for 9?
Yeah.
9 times, first time ever a player was on base 9 times in the World Series. Is that 9 times in a row?
Yes.
Okay, I just want
99.
to. Wow. The guy's a beast. He's worth the $800 million. How about this? So I know a friend of mine who's worth a lot of money. And I said, can you do me a favor? He goes, whatever you want. I said, can you buy the Jets? They're 0-7. Okay. They're jinxed. He started laughing. He hung up on me. I'm not buying that crazy team. What are you, bananas? All right. I said, can you buy the Jets?
Isn't Gary Vee trying to buy them?
Who?
Gary Vee?
Who's that?
He's a big guy in the marketing world.
Oh, Gary V.
Yeah, Gary Vee.
I didn't hear that.
Yeah,
Woody Johnson, I don't think would ever sell. All right, NASDAQ just dropped 10. S&P's just dropped 2. I'm so bearish. I'm so bearish here. All right, this was the first pullback right here on his bull flag. After the 15-minute time frame reversed to buy, and it correlating with the 30 and the 60. All right, so again, this is the 15 reversing to buy, correlating with the 5, and correlating with its 30 and 60-minute time frame. Again, if anybody wants a free 7-day access, please, you can text me on my cell phone number, 914-500-7484. You need to have your phone name and email, or I'm going delete. All right? The LA Dodgers, terrible morning for me. You got to be, if that's the case, you should be on my live stream. Okay? You should be in my live stream listening, period. Okay? What do you mean you can't do limit orders? I don't understand that. What do you mean you can't do limit orders? I see. Who said that? Can we text? Just text me.
What trading platform is he on?
The Jets won. I thought the Jets lost last week. BRN BBD, good job. I didn't know the Jets won yesterday. I thought the Jets were 0-7. So I was out one night here down in Jupiter, Florida, and I ran into Joe Namath. I said, Joe, you got to shoot up. He started laughing. He loved me. He said, you're hanging out with me all night. I said, okay. Joe Willie. It was their first win. Who'd they beat? Who did the Jets beat?
Bengals?
The Bengals? Really? Nick, you're late to the game, Nick. You're late to the game. You're late to the game. Oh, they won by 1 point? Ah!
Win to win.
85.5 call was wrong. I don't understand. I said 86.80. I said. What do you mean it was wrong? Not a real win. The Titans are terrible. You're right. Titans are terrible. All right, Gold just ran 12 on that. Dolphins, they're terrible. I think the Dolphins are for sale, if I'm not mistaken. You get short the gold at 86.80? Don, did you get short? Okay. All right. See what happens. Bills, when's that? Bills and Chiefs. Sunday or Thursday night? Man, I can't stand watching. I mean, look, I like Patrick Mahomes because I think he's a good guy. Don't get me wrong. Travis Kelce, forget it. All right. But this team never gets a call. The holding that I see in the defense, on the offensive line, on the defensive line, I can't watch them. I'm sorry. It's sick. By the Dolphins. I know they're for sale. Right? NASDAQ just got kabooshed, 20. S&P's dropped 3. And again, if anybody's new, you can text me 914-500-7484 if you like to get a 7-day free trial to my live stream. Yeah. I don't know about that. Come on, can we get to 600, 700 here? Because Denny's only going to do 10 giveaways tonight. We got to really get it up there. We really got to get it up there tonight. You know what's interesting also is that the IWMs were actually down on the day with the S&Ps and NASDAQ making new all-time highs. I'm telling you, with those gaps below, you guys should be looking at the SQQQs or the SPXUs for a swing trade. That's just my opinion. Right? Right, Arton? Unbelievable. Bookmap, I hear it's okay. Bookmap. Really, really slow. There goes the gold. You think this gold's going to go over 4,400?
44.
No, I'm saying 4,000. Sorry.
Whoa.
Look to cover this gold anywhere between the 88 and 89.5 range. There we go. Let it drop. Thoughts on FOMC? Well,
Price in the market.
I think it's priced into the market. I agree with what Aaron just said. However, I think that the market is priced at perfection. I think the market is severely overbought, and I think that these rate cuts are already priced into the market. We already saw that the bond market hit 119, so rates dropped. All right, let's see if we get some pullbacks here. Now the 15's reversed here. This pullback just ran 20 on the gold. Let's see here. S&P is getting kabooshed. So what I think about the Nasdaq here. I think the Nasdaq's going to get kabooshed. My view on gold is down. I agree. I think gold is going to get kabooshed. I mean, I really do. But I think Bitcoin's going to get kabooshed. All right. Gold action is awesome. This is the first pullback on the 5. Look at the positive MACD. That's what I was calling the long here, 94.5. Which indicators are you using? Well, this is a MACD. This is direction of movement with the ADX. This is my own oscillator, and this is my own predictive analytics right here. So that's that. That's that. So 85% of the time I use the indicators 1, 3, and 4, and 15% of the time I use all 4. I use these numbers to the right. They have significant meaning. So price leads, indicators lag. So when the algorithm reversed to buy here, it correlated with not only with its 5, but also correlated with its 15 and 30 minute time frame. Okay. All right. I would short this gold again here, 95 up to 03. 95 up to 03, getting way overbought here. All right. So basically, for me, the most important thing is understanding how to trade the pattern. Okay. S&P's just dropped 3.5. Nasdaq just dropped 20. I think the market is going to kaboosh tomorrow at 2 o'clock. I agree with you. Don't forget, tomorrow we have Microsoft, Meta, and Google after hours. Microsoft, Meta, and Google, then Amazon and Apple on Thursday. Just go small on the short. Go to micros. Just $17 a bit above the 10-bar moving average here. If you're short, look to cover 92, 94 here. If you're sold 95s, right? See? In and out. Boom. Practice on that matrix. Diana, you see?
Yeah, I got some weird stuff going on here.
What?
What's up here?
Yeah, and? It's
Didn't
not a
even
stop
fill-
market. Why are you filling down there?
That's exactly what's going. Yeah, I'm losing
Take-
money again. I shouldn't be. I'm doing.
You gotta tell them.
Yeah,
this is
just started tonight.
I know, but you should film it.
Yeah, because this is what's going on. I'm looking like I should be making money and I'm losing money. And the
If you're
greed-
shorting gold at 95, it can't execute the order at 93. It's not, something's wrong. Something's wrong. Yeah. Something's wrong. And again, you switch to micros. I was with the head of the CME many years ago. It was on his birthday, actually. And he said to me, we were having dinner. He says, yeah, it's my birthday time. I'm like, oh, my God, Terry. I said, go be with your family. What are you, crazy? He goes, nah, they're out. Don't worry. I got hockey practice, blah, blah, blah. And we start talking about the micros. and how pumped up he was about these micros. Because I believe the CME had like 10 million people on their website just simulating trading on their website. And he said, Steve, I got to get these 10 million people off my website to trade. And we created the micros. I really had dinner with the head of the CME. It was unbelievable. Unbelievable. Really unbelievable. Terry, good man. Good man. Gold going to 4180. Whatever you're on, Fongo, please send me a case. All right, 12 more to 500. If we get to 600, then he's going to do something nice. It depends on the gold. It depends on the volatility. Yes, the same type. Yes. S&P's around 5, gold's around 6 to 8. Okay. Josh, here you go. If you sold 95 and a half, look to cover or lower your stop down to 94, right? Just trade it. Come on, 15 more. Nope, 14. Sell a day is kaboosh. Kabooshed. What a t-shirt. We got to make t-shirts for Kabooshed here with MyFundedFutures on it. Got to figure a way how people can buy that. Terry and I used to smoke cigs on Whacker. Jenny Lopez. Oh, Terry's good man. Good man, Terry. One day I was at the FIA conference, Bitcoin new lows. And I was standing, and all of a sudden there was the doors open, and next thing I know, I guess there was like a seminar going on or something, and Terry came out, and he saw me, all these people around him, and all of a sudden he stops, he sees me, and he starts talking to me for like 5 minutes, and all these people like behind him, like they're not moving because he's talking. And I gotta tell you, good man, really great man, great man. So happy for him. He used to be a broker on the floor of the CME, and he got elevated to chairman of the CME. So I was with him the night we were talking. We were just talking. He goes, I got to do these micros. I'm like, did the board approve? He goes, oh, yeah, but they want us to do Bitcoin futures. I'm like, okay. So gold just dropped 4 there off the high here. Let's see if gold can get another push up. You're way overbought here on the 15, 30, and on the 5 and the 15 now. So that pattern here we go. So that pattern here ran 20 on the gold. Lower your stops if you're short the gold up there. Where's Rays? In Chicago, obviously. Well, you know what, though? I think the micros, the only thing I don't like about the micros is the fees. I don't like the fees that they charge. I think the fees should be a lot lower. Anybody short that gold, lower your stops. Gold just dropped 5. 4,003 could. I don't know about that. The fees are way too high. We have 500? Okay. Denny, we just hit 500. Denny.
It's not enough, Steven.
That's what I'm talking about.
I need 600.
600. Call your cousins. All right. Gold just dropped. You short the gold? Oh, no.
Okay, if I do this,
First of all, the gold dropped. So don't do sell market.
so you have stock market, right?
No, you have nothing. You have
No, but up here I should have,
limit order. Let me see something.
oh, but maybe
I'm
that's
just
wrong.
curious.
It's defaulting to different stuff.
Okay, you have to take a picture of this. You go here. Image made you short 2 contracts. So I just sold 93 and a halves, and now you're short. So something's wrong.
Yeah, because it didn't even go up there. Yeah, that's what's
How do you
happening.
close all here?
Um,
I just made you $75. Okay. Look at the gold
you sold
drop.
that, right?
No. So here's what you have to write down. I clicked on 93 and a half.
Okay.
It sold it at 90 and a half. Okay. And then you have to use close all to make the profit. So if you offer it at 93 and a half, you shouldn't be selling at 90 and a half.
Right.
So write that down. We'll get with them tomorrow. Okay.
Mhm.
I told the person next to me to sign at the gym to sign up. They said I'm crazy. Sign up for what? Come on, guys. We just hit 500 and we just got kabooshed. Jeff B, you got the short. Andrew, in and out. Andre, Sonny K, are we short? The gold just dropped 8, 6, 7. Kabooshed. Where's the bear?
Here's your.
Oh my God. That's a bear. Thomas, good job. Gold just dropped 10. So again, calmly, I clicked on 93 and a half. You got filled at 90 and a half. So tell TradeStation they're on morphine. Okay? All right. Do me a favor. Eddie Sargent's saying that he signed up, and he's saying that the coupon says invalid coupon. Jeffrey, good job, Jeffrey. Geraldo, good job. Thomas, beautiful. Pac-Man, Andre, that was a Picasso. Kabosh, ICT, NGL. They're on morphine. All right.
Can I reply to him?
Yes, you can. Of
All you
course.
need to do is just put in.
So,
Use your username. I'll do it. Sorry, she's signing up for the MyFundedFutures account. One second, I'll get back to that.
I have a question, Susan.
yeah, what's your question?
So you
Even
can
though
put your
the MACDs
username.
are positive on 15, everything.
It was a sell divergence on the new high. You got to look at the other time frames. You're making new highs. I said this is a bear flag. Look at the 60-minute time frame. Okay, this is positive, right?
But it was being overbought.
The 30-minute MACDs could not confirm. So, and the 15. So the 15-minute MACD here, okay, could not confirm the highs, Jonathan. These are sell divergences. If you draw your horizontal line, I said it, you got to learn to listen. I said right here, it's it's non-confirmation here, right? The MACD should be going like this with the price of gold. Okay, it should be making a new high with it. It didn't do it. That's why I called it short. All right. Okay. Nice little short there. Gold. Okay. Raphael Trades. What's going on, brother? Okay. Can we get to 600, please? Somebody come in Manila. And again, if anybody new here, anybody new? No, this is a problem. This simulator is terrible. Cheater, nice. Okay, thank you, brother. S&P's down. Craig Taso, you should be joining my live stream every day from 9 to 4. Strong Hills, thank you. Olaz. If we get 1,000, we're getting it. If we do 600, then what are we doing? 25?
If we hit 600, I'm doing 25. If we hit 1,000, I will do 50.
Wow.
But I'm not doing it if I see the views just start dropping super fast after hitting 1,000, because that means we were botted.
Oh yeah. I remember the one day we got botted. We had like 1,800. I'm like, what?
Mm-hmm.
I'm like, what the heck? Nasdaq's down right now about 30 off the highs. Nasdaq, maybe about 27 off the highs. All right, Jay's 2-1. Oh, sorry, right there. Great job, Sonny K. You get that short, Sonny K. All right, 4 minutes. China market's gonna open. All right, who says down and then up or up and then down? I say Chinese market up and then down. Up and then down. Come on, guys. Let's get to 600. Let's do it. No kidding. You texted him? Thank you. I'm with you. Sonny K up 346 trading micros. Good job. Thoughts on the S&P, Zach? 30-minute time frame's about to go negative. So, but you're getting, nope, I think the markets are short. I say up and then down. You guys, can you guys on my live, on my YouTube, can you, and MyFundedFutures, can you please subscribe and help us out? I say, you say down and then up. I say up and then down. All right. Not a bad day here right now. Denny's up 1,500. Denny's packing it in for the night.
Yep. Don't ever trade when you're already up in profit.
You don't. You gotta know when to hold them. Know when to fold them. Know when to walk away. Know when to run. That's what I'm talking about. Good job, Sonny K. Great job. Right? Great song. Please tell me if gold to buy or sell. My good. You gotta wait for the Chinese market to open. Seller days, that's terrible. What song is that? That's Kenny Rogers. Don't quit my day job.
Who doesn't know that? Who doesn't know that?
I'm not even going to say the name of that. Oh, my God.
True that, Joseph. True that.
Up and then down. I'm with you, Silver. 44K too. Oh, my God. We got to have a little excitement here. I sing a lot during the day. Oh, I was singing some Dickie Betts, Blue Sky. I got that song on my head. Damn. What range bar you use for NASDAQ? Sometimes it could be 25 to 30, but you got to go wide, like every 10 or 40, every 10. Let's get to 4,000. Yeah, I'll have to see 4,000 views here.
That'd be nice.
There you go. Francis just passed 2 evals on gold tonight. You know, Danny, that's what I'm talking about, right? How many people do we educate with this live stream from 8 to 10 on trading gold?
Everybody.
My phone literally blows up during the week with people just saying thank you. It's not Kenny Loggins, it's Kenny Rogers. Oh my God almighty. Kenny Loggins.
Not even close.
Not even close.
Anthony said,
Steven, someone in the chat asked, what is your favorite music?
Skinner, baby. This is me and Johnny Van Zant. Right there, baby. Right there. Me and Johnny V. Then you got to go with the Allman Brothers. Right? Right?
Oh, you like Biggie?
Biggie, 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 can't you see? That's your crap. You like that rap shit. Not me. You're from California. I don't listen to that crap.
He's from New York.
Who? I'm from New York. I know Biggie's from New York. Biggie, you know, I felt bad he got shot and everything, but
Hey, you got that Diddy up there in New York.
no, not me. Nah, I moved south when I heard what Diddy was doing. I said, I'm getting a 38 special all time. 38 special is great. 38 special. No way. Skinner? Really? Wow. That must be awesome to play with your sons like that. That must be cool. Can you send me a clip of that? I'd love to watch you guys do that. Just text it to my phone, 914-500-7484. That is so damn cool. That is so damn cool, really. I didn't say Big U's crap. I said rap. I didn't say Biggie's crap. Come on, can we get to 600? Steven, which OG COD do you like the most? Oh my God. Snoop Dogg, not a fan. Which one? You're not the only one? I know. I've been singing that song all week, man. Dickie Betts, Blue Sky. Jesus, NASDAQ just ran 15. S&Ps just ran 3. 60-minute time frames turning up. It's very slow opening. Wow, what's going on with the gold, Denny? Damn. Michael, good job on the S&Ps. Just ran 3 on the S&Ps there. You're in gold shorts here? Mm-hmm. Okay. Be careful. Those 5s might turn up one more time here. Look at a 5-minute. Just be careful. Right here. Just be careful. If it turns up. Man, my cell phone number is 914-500-7484.
I'll be cheating.
Up 1,200, Bob Barker on gold. 18 wins, 2 losses. I'll take those odds.
90%.
See, we got 520. That they didn't get the 500 views on Morningstar. You are doing good, my friend. Well, I like to be bluntly honest with you. I mean, I'm just saying this, okay? We're giving away free access to my live stream. MyFundedFutures is giving out close to 670, and we're doing this for free. We should really have a couple thousand people, because the reason why I'm saying this is that there's a lot I could be teaching and explaining as well, okay? And I think that's really important, all right? I just think that's really important. And I think people should understand that even during the trading hours, Tori Trades and husband, our talent, these people are in love with you. I hope you're reading all these comments. No, I said gold was a short, but I said just be careful on the 5-minute time frame, We were short up here. Okay, I'm saying if you're short here, just be careful. That's what I said. Yeah, I think gold, absolutely. Look at this. S&P is up 4. My God. Nasdaq just ran 20.
Form is closed.
Huh?
The form, the giveaway.
Who's-
MyFunded Futures giveaway is closed.
Who's close?
The MyFunded Futures giveaway is closed. Danny said that in the chat.
The form is now closed.
Oh, it's the forum. Sorry.
Yeah, that's it.
Michael Bellany, good job. Good job, Michael. Mr. Two own. Two what? I can't. Mr. Two done. I can't even read. What's up? How are you? Okay. 522 silver. Okay. Let's go, Gabriel. Wendy, you're late to the dance.
Mr. 21.
Let's do this, baby. Hey, chicken trader. Wendy, how are you, Wendy? Spatter's down. Let's share the link, everybody, if you guys want to be part of the raffle. So S&Ps, okay, S&Ps just let's see here. If they get up to the 29 range, 29 to 33, 34, I would look to short them on the S&Ps here. All right. Let's get to 600. I'll make my day here. Denny's what?
Is that a long hold?
No,
83
not yet.
and a half?
No.
No?
No. Ice Tea Trader, how are you, Ice Tea Trader? So at the night session, until this gets fixed, you should
Trade of
switch
eight.
to a trade of 8.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah,
This
I'm gonna do
is you need to practice at
Yeah,
night.
I've been trying it again. It's
No,
not filling.
it's- So
Orders I'll be putting.
So the
stocks
bottom
in.
line is tomorrow, we get them on the phone. If you want to take it along here on the gold, we'll just get down to look to go 75.5 to 82.5 range. Just ran 5 on this pullback. That's what I was trying to say. Be careful on the short on the gold. The 5's getting oversold here. Let's see if we get one more push down here. Western Union is coming to Solana. All right. What's up, Mr. Dunn? Is that Mr. Gunn? I can't even read. Trade Flows, how are you, Trade Flows? Okay, if you're new and you want access to my live stream, please text me 914-500-7484. If I give you access, it's free. However, I will tell you, you can only get this one time.
No cheaters.
No cheaters. And because Aaron will tackle you because he has the system. What platform is she using? No, it's not the question, Keith. The problem is she's putting an offer on gold and she's at, like, say 95 or 94 and she's getting filled. Okay, like let's say, for example, she wanted to buy look at this gold. Jesus, Mary and Joseph. Just ran $8. So let's say she wanted to buy gold at 84.5. It would make her buy right now at 91. Okay, so I don't get it. Damn it! This gold just rallied. That's why I said be careful being short the gold. Up 10. God, oh my God. Who is short the gold? Hugo? Hugo's doing well. Okay? Hugo's doing well. Rhino 34 caught the gold. There's an offset on the limit order configured. I don't think so. I know Trey says like the back of my hand. You go click, click, click. I don't get it. But anyway, she's on the correct contract. Yes, she is. Sounds like data is delayed. Oh, maybe. Are you delayed data?
Unless when they changed it today, something.
Where's
happened.
gold right now? No, you're on live data. It's going tick for tick. I just saw it. Sue Bear. Running Man, good job. Good job. You caught the okay. So that's what I said. Look, I said, be careful because the 5 is going to turn up. And of course, it just ran 10 on the gold. The MACD parameters, the standard, 12.26.9.
Is that a long at 83.5?
That was a good long, right? That's what I said. The guy who was short, I said, I'd be careful of being short. Okay? Come on, can we get to 600? All right. What is your what? RR? Trader Warrior? Again, if you text me and you want access to my 7-day free trial, you need to put your full name and email, or I'm going like this. Delete. Delete. Okay? 600, we got 74 to go for 600. Well, Zoo trades, you should really be thinking about S&P and gold. Okay? Okay? Good job, son of Wall Street. 2-1 Blue Jays. Yes. Who's that? Arton? Good job, Arton. There you go. Micro gold. Anybody get that long on the gold there? That was a nice one. That was a nice one. Good job. Short, but cover 83.5. You know what they say? If it's good enough to cover the short, it's good enough to do go long. All right. Come on. 80 more. Let's go. And again, if anybody wants to live stream for free, just text me your full name and email. Also, I have a podcast every day at 6 p.m. on my SK Trading YouTube. Please, please, please check it out. Please check it out. Okay. You only had one break even tonight. Good job, Jeff. Jeff B Trading. Candles. I don't look at candles.
Birthday cake.
It's for birthday candy, right? I do not look at candles. I do not look at that. All right. We're dropping here. Jesus. We had 5:30. Aaron,
Yes.
those 3 people, just give it to them. They're saying they didn't use it. So just give them.
The one that I sent you earlier?
Yeah, those 3. They're emailing me. This is 3 people. What do I care? Michael, I would probably raise your stops on that. Why go through all the trouble break even? Raise it to like 26.5 or something. You know what I'm saying? At least that makes more sense, right? At least for me. Okay. 914-500-7484 is my phone number. 914-500-7484. Okay. All right. Again, I stream every day from 9 to 4. So this gives you free access from 9 to 4 every day. All right. It's 7 days. You cannot, if I give you access, you do not get access again for 3 months. Okay. Caboose, ICT, you're messing up. Then it's kaboosh. Okay. It's kaboosh. All right. I'm in Jupiter, Florida. Beautiful. It's beautiful here. I live 6 miles from the beach. I love it. 5, 6 miles from the beach. I absolutely love it. Bitcoin getting absolutely kabooshed. Bitcoin. I'm telling you, when the blank hits the fan, look out below. When the blank hits the fan, look out below. I'm telling you, there's no shorts going to support this market. They are going to get absolutely kabooshed. Biggie, biggie, biggie. Can't you see? Now you got me singing that. See?
Isn't that
You like that song?
No, you got me hooked on that song. In the car, you were telling
That's on
me.
you. That's on you.
I'll look, I'll have to let me know.
Open the email up here.
Oh my God. I got biggie, biggie, biggie in my head. Oh my God.
You didn't like rap.
I got to tell you, you know, I got Diana from California. I got Jonathan from California. I got Aaron from Hawaii. You guys got to come in and hang out. And we cleaned the office up today. So now I got room. Even Hendrix is happy.
We're not done.
We're not done. We got one more. You know,
And I'm from California too.
Yeah.
you're from California?
Yeah, Kelly.
Yeah. I'm born and raised. Just lived in Hawaii the last 20 years.
Rocky Mountain. I said, if you win, you can't win again for 3 months.
Oh, really?
That's what I said.
Really?
If you're long the S&Ps are up 4, I would raise your stop to like 27.5. Okay.
Hawaii 22 years.
Who's that? Artan? There you go. Jay Schilling.
No, fuck that.
Artan's up 2,500. There you go. Where is Hendrix? Hendrix is home. I gotta walk when I get home at 10. He's chilling, my boy. He's on the couch watching the Dodgers. And oh, I got that wine. It was too late.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll bring a bottle tomorrow. You may trade better looped.
I can't be worse than the trade station now.
Well, this is something wrong.
Yeah.
So you got to tell them this is happening
It was
at
working
night.
today, but
No,
yeah.
during
now.
right. So we got to get them on the phone.
Okay.
Okay, because that's
Yeah.
crazy.
I keep going, why are my orders being
Email sent.
Okay, so,
I'm gonna borrow your chair real quick. Okay?
Yeah,
So I can
I'm not
help-
standing.
Can I help her?
yeah. So,
No, it's
well, I got it on my
something else,
charts.
something
yeah,
else.
charts.
All right.
Okay, so hit download this.
Yeah, but we're-
all right. Anybody new here tonight? Anybody new who just joined? Put a 1, please.
Open it up. No.
Guys, I'm very close to, I pray to God next week I get the announcement about doing the Traders Cafe. Oh my God. I'll be so happy.
What's that gonna be?
Huh?
What's that gonna be? Traders Cafe.
It's going to be a big open warehouse where I have my podcast. I can do my trading room. Then it's going to have a big 200 traders,
I need to know how to do it.
20 rows,
Okay.
boom, cafe for, for coffee and breakfast. And then another room I'm going to have where maybe just like pizzas, beer, wine, I don't know if I can do liquor. I got to see.
Okay.
Then a big lounge area, big TVs, lazy boy chairs. I'll never leave. Be over. I never leave. Right? Traders Cafe, absolutely, in West Palm. When I think hopefully maybe June of next year. I can't wait. I'd never leave. I swear to God. I got Jeff gonna join me. Oh my God. That'll be unbelievable, the Traders Cafe. Oh, I'm so pumped. So pumped. There you go, Jeff. There you go. Yep. So Jeff will be teaching because Jeff's a little bit more calmer in the approach. No, you could, there's going to be seats and people have to get seats and trade there. And we'll be, after I'll be, going around talking to people, showing them seeing what they're doing, following the trades. Okay. All right, Denny, you're gonna do how many? 10 tonight, Denny? We only got 500.
Yeah, I'm only gonna do 10. I already have it up if you're ready for me to do
Why
5.
don't you do 5 right now?
All right.
West Palm, Siempre, Florida.
Let's see who's here and who's not here.
And you got to be here to win. These are their rules.
Joyce, are you here, Joyce?
There you go. Joyce here. You got to be here or else be. I'm telling you, when these 15-minute time frames get oversold into these positive MACDs, gold's going to go parabolic. Tink. Is Joyce here?
I don't see a Joyce. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, you're not here. Moving on to the next.
How do you join? Paul, he already gave the link out.
Oh, Joyce is here.
Oh.
Joyce, this one time I will give it to you.
You guys got to respond.
Joyce was here.
All right, Joyce is there.
You have to respond, though. Bodine, are you here? Let's see.
I would say, Zachary, June of next year.
Bod, are you here, Bod? Joyce, I got you. I see that you're here. I don't see Bodine. Where you at, Bodine?
Odine.
Says I'm here.
She says she's here.
I see it right there.
I saw Joyce say that.
She's here.
I saw it.
She's here.
Let's say it again.
She's here.
Okay. Everybody's saying that they responded twice.
Yeah, they're showing it again. No.
Look at that. Chat helping each other out. That's what I like to see. You know what?
There
I
you
might do an extra 5 just because of that.
Wow, that's damn good. All right, this S&Ps are dropping. NASDAQ just dropped 6. S&Ps dropped 1. These indexes barely move.
Apple, ATM, are you here?
There you go, Apple. Can we get to 600? Oh, my legs.
Apple, where are you?
537, 63 more to go. All right, here we go. 59 to go. Why is it so slow?
I have no idea.
Look at this. So tonight they're doing 15. That'll bring it up to like 683 free
5, 4,
accounts.
3, 2, 1. Apple is not here. Apple does not win.
Oh my God. Poor Apple.
Poor Apple.
That's it.
Kurt, are you here, Kurt?
Uh-oh.
Not eating.
Daddy, they're saying yes, she is.
Kurt, I see you. No, the who? Apple?
I think Apple's here. Apple got
No.
eaten. Oh my
No,
God.
they're saying that Apple's not here.
Oh, not here? All right.
Yeah. Kurt, that was fast. I appreciate
Damn.
you.
That's it. That was record time.
Did you get it?
AJ9, are you here, AJ9?
AJ! Congratulations, AJ.
AJ.
They're asking how do you sign up? Oh my God. I'm going to kill myself.
I see you, AJ. I'm not even going to answer it anymore because it's been, what, 3 nights already that I've told them how to enter? I told them last week. I told them this week.
Where's
Oh my God. I'm so happy when they get kabooshed.
the train station?
Baxter. I've seen Baxter already typed.
Baxter,
that.
congratulations.
Yep, Baxter.
Come on, 60 more, and we're gonna do some extra ones.
Hey, Baxter. We'll
If
do
we
two
get
more
600
because I told y'all I'll do an extra 5 tonight. So 2 more. And then we're gonna wait until 9:45. Marina, are you here, Marina?
Hey, Marina. Oh, we just lost 10. This is terrible.
It's so sad. We lose some so quick.
I don't understand it.
Import, export. Says file, import, export.
Oh, I don't need to go to desktop.
Adam Baxter already typed. I need Marina. Where's Marina?
Yeah, that is, you're in the
Okay,
desktop as
okay,
an application. And you're gonna go
This gold can head down again.
Marina. All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Moving on to the next. 'Cause I don't see Marina.
Gold just dropped 4 here. Just 15s are on. When these 15s sit up for oversold, watch what gold's gonna do. Gold just dropped 5. I'm just saying these 15s are gonna get oversold here, like this. then boom.
Blaze, are you here, Blaze?
Blaze, hey, I remember Blaze.
Go Marine. I was Army, so let's not do
We were
that.
only 41 away, 51 away. We just lost 20.
Marines.
Marines.
No. Who's saying Marines?
Me. Got something to say?
No.
You got something to say?
Boo Marines. Crayon eaters.
Oh,
Listen here. You know what Army stands for, right?
Whoa. I see you, Blaze.
Ain't ready for Marines yet. That's what Army stands
oh
for.
man.
Yeah.
I ain't getting in the middle of this war.
Okay.
I ain't getting in the middle of
This
this war.
dude.
Blaze is here. Blaze is here.
Danny 5220. Who said that? Tevin, I will not take that back. I was Army. Army all the way. And we can stay out of Space Force. Where's Danny?
This computer.
Joseph. Chill out, Joseph. That is not my burner account. I'm gonna tell you right now, my name does not stand for Danny.
There's nothing on
He replied, he responded. Okay, everybody said he responded. Let's go. 5220. All right, chat. I'll be back at 9:45.
So how many are you gonna do at 9:45?
8. Let's see. I did
That's it?
7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, I did 7. So I'll do 8 more at 9:45.
All right. All right. So it's getting a little late here right now. We got about 30 minutes. Wow, 30 minutes. Taking forever. Yeah. So we got 30 minutes here. Let's see if this 15-minute time frame gets somewhat oversold here. All right. Thanks, Denny. That was really nice. Again, thank you for MyFundedFutures to allocate some free, 50K a core account? Denny? All right.
Sorry. Yes, I was responding to chat. But yeah, it's core accounts, everybody. It's core accounts.
Got it. Not scales, core.
Before I give it back to you, chat, I'm just gonna let you know. I know people y'all are mad because Apple didn't win, but I literally gave Apple almost 3 minutes to answer back. They did not answer back, so y'all know the rules. You don't answer back in time, I'm moving on to the next person.
That's what I say. That's what I say. That's what I say. So, all right. Let's see what's going to happen here. Does it mean overbought? What do you mean, Kyle? Do I mean, Kyle, what are you talking about? What's overbought, Kyle? You got to tell me what you're thinking here. And again, if anybody new here, you can text me at 914-500-7484. Okay. And you can get a 7-day free trial. Apple was cooking. That's not nice. Come on. Okay. All right. 507. All right. There goes the gold getting cabooshed. Just dropped 10 in the last 15. You want these 15-minute time frames to get oversold into the positive MACD. Set up this really nice bull flag right here. Now the 10-bar moving average comes in roughly, let's see here, 9 from here. Just rallied 83.5. People just put their YouTube names. Why? Why? Usually waiting for the 15s to get oversold a few times for gold. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm saying you want to see the gold. Just look for the oversold condition after the 15 reverse to buy. You want to try to get this pullback here on the gold. So probably if the gold gets down to the 74.5, 81.5 range, maybe I look to buy it for the 15s. Look, 65 is when the algo reverses to sell. So let's see if this happens here. All right. NVIDIA 204. Give me a break. What the hell are people thinking buying it up here? Who's buying NVIDIA at 204? That's crazy. Michael Bellany, good night. If the S&P's tick at 30, NASDAQ ticks at 97. I was short the NASDAQ 97. Wait, hold on 1 second. Hold off on that. The 60s are turning up. I'll wait for that. We almost were up to, we were 49 away from 600. How many people realize that when you trade the futures markets during the U.S. session, you need to look at the underlying ETFs? And you could trade during the futures markets during the Tokyo and European session. Yeah, I don't know what's going on here. Well, we were getting about 650, 700. I don't know if it's the World Series or what. You look at futures to trade the ETFs? Okay. I think that's something that's prudent, but be careful. I like the underlying ETFs to help me with the futures market. But today there was a really great pattern here when the S&P futures reversed to buy right here at 12:30, and it correlated with its 30 and 60-minute time frame, and it also correlated with the underlying ETF on the 15, 30, and 60. And if you look here, you can see the pullbacks here, 12:45 and 28th. Push it back here. This beautiful pullback down to 24 was beautiful. Oversold positive MACD, oversold rising ADX, oversold big buying pressure. Another great bull flag here. Boom. Look at this, 33, 33.5. Rallied. Then, of course, they pushed up here to 44. The MACDs couldn't confirm the highs. And that's that. What's this gold doing? The gold just get down to 81.5, 82.5 range. If you're long the gold, I would just get scale out of longs here. SPY for the S&P. Yes, absolutely. Edra, absolutely. Absolutely. Gold, nice little pullback on the gold. This is a nice bull flag setting up here. So I'm going to see if the 15s can like fool around here for a little while. And then I think this is going to go pull chin and then boom, right back up. All right. Same thing, 12.26.9. All right. This gold pushes down here again. I'd look to buy this gold here anywhere between the you could buy this gold anywhere between the 75 and 83 range. Futures lead, ETFs confirm. Not necessarily. Not necessarily. You hope, well, JT111, I agree with you. I just think that, wow, look at this NASDAQ, S&P. Now, who's ever long the S&Ps at 25? I hope you raise your stop to like 29. Oh my God, S&Ps. Oh. NASDAQ ran about 32 here. Gold not willing to come down? It will. How many points should I use when I trade gold? You mean on the scaling in? Well, let's say you bought here 83s, not at 86, 87. If you bought one, you probably would want to sell it out, make 400. If you're long, you sell 187, and then you keep your stop at break even. Are you using big ones or micros? Chill out, Steven. What? So how many is it micros or big ones? So it also depends on the volatility. Let's see here. So the S&Ps ran about 6. Trump is live talking.
Right now?
I think so. There's no resistance. It's new all-time highs, Johnny D. Again, on the gold, look to buy 72.5 to 80.5 range. See negative MACDs here. All right. I told you that gold. Look at that short, 95. What just happened with Papa Trump? I short these gold S&Ps at 34. Well, the NASDAQ exploded. Where do I see resistance? S&Ps, I would probably short them here, 34 up to 40. NASDAQ, I probably short 15 up to 45 here. NASDAQ just hit stops. No, NASDAQ was basically rallied because something must have came out with Trump. There is no resistance on gold because it's all old, new all-time highs. All right, gold, I would raise your stops if you're long. There goes the gold. Anybody long the gold there? Just rallied 3 or 4. S&Ps, if you sold 34s, look to cover below 33s here. NASDAQ, look to cover between the 05 and 15. China Towers reduction. Good job, JB. Jeff B Trading. Jeff, you got the long? Okay, good job.
I'm back down. Could we get back in?
What time is it? Probably not. If you sold the S&Ps, look to cover below 33. In and out. In and out. Exactly. In and out. If this gold gets one more push down here, below 80, you look to buy gold 73 to 80 range. S&Ps, NASDAQ just got cabooshed. Are you covering shorts below 10? My number is 914-500-7484. 914-500-7484. Anybody short the S&Ps or NASDAQ up there?
9:45. Those last 5.
Yeah, Denny, you going to do 5 more, Denny? Look at the S&Ps drop. Look at the NASDAQ drop.
Ethan! I know Ethan's here.
Congratulations, Ethan. Oh, my God. S&Ps and NASDAQ just got cabooshed.
This dude. MSR Trades. Where you at, MSR
Hey,
Trades?
MSR Trades. Look at this gold, Denny. Look at these S&Ps. Arton, you get the short? Jeff, anybody get the short in the S&Ps or NASDAQ?
I see you, MSR.
Oh, my God. What a short.
6 more, chat. 6 more. Let's see who's going to be the lucky 6. Vakil, are you here?
Start scaling out any longs on the gold here. Just ran 5. 6 on the gold. I hope you're long.
I see you, Vakil.
Keep getting off too early. That's crazy.
$7 on gold. What's wrong with you?
I keep getting off too early.
Just raise your stop. Uh-oh, somebody's here. Vakil, he's here.
Digicap, are you here?
I don't remember seeing Digicap tonight.
I think I saw him type one time tonight.
Look at this. Look at this gold rally.
He's here. Digicap is here.
Gold just rallied $9 just now, Denny.
Dang, I see it.
S&P's got cabooshed. NASDAQ got cabooshed.
Look at silver. Joven, are you here, Joven? I don't know how to pronounce your name, so I'm sorry if I butchered it.
I am trying to get my charts up.
I see you, my man.
Yeah.
It's her piece. It's her computer.
Hmm.
It's too junk. It's not her fault.
3 more. We got 3 more lucky winners. Let's see who you're going to be tonight.
Look at this gold rally. S&P's got cabooshed. NASDAQ got cabooshed. And gold just rallied 11, 12.
Miguel, are you here?
It could be. Look at this gold. Oh, my God almighty.
Steven, silver is pumping.
Wow. Anybody long this gold? Anybody short the S&Ps or NASDAQ? Oh, my God almighty.
Silver's already up $1,000 if you got in on this low. Rat Motor, are you here? Rat Motor.
Scripted signals on the gold. Good job. Why are you not? What kind of statement is that, Raphael Trades? You should not be fearful to trade any asset.
All right, Rag, I'm giving you 10 more seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 2.5, 1.
What?
All right, moving on.
I'll get them. Hey, Jake.
Spencer. Funny enough, you type as your name's being picked. Talk about coincidence.
Oh my God, S&P's just dropped 5.
All right, who's the last and lucky winner? Not even official. Are you here?
Look at this pattern on gold. Gold went from 79.60.
I see you, official.
Good job. So there you go. There you go. There you go.
All right, chat. That is all the winners for tonight. We will be back tomorrow with more giveaways. Maybe we can hit our goal tomorrow.
Do you see this? Do you see this gold rally? Gold rally 11 and S&P's dropped 8, almost 9.
I see that. Silver pumped what? Let's see. 10, 20, almost 30 cents.
Yeah. 44. I got 44 up to 65. Again, if anybody wants a 7-day free trial to my live stream, please text me your full name and email. If you don't send me your full name and email, I'm deleting it. NASDAQ, S&P's got kaboosh, gold, and silver kaboom. Good night, Jeff. Good night, HR. Rocky Mountain, you're welcome. Have a good night. Keith Matthews, if you text me, I'll give you a 7-day free trial. Full name and email. 914-500-7484, Paul. Go back to 4,000. If these 15s turn up, possibly. Thank you, JB with God. S&P's just got absolutely kabooshed. 6 down. You want to buy gold after this candle? I don't know. I think I had the perfect range on that. Look at that gold. Look at that. Beautiful. 15 is going to start turning up. This gold is going to go right through 90. Very, very quiet. Not bad there. We had some action there in gold. We had some action on the NASDAQ and in the shorts. S&P's just ran 3 just now. SPXU. Very, very quiet. S&P's just ran 3. My God.
Chat, I'm going to have to ask you, please do not DM me on Discord asking how to win your account. You don't have to do nothing. You will receive your account within the next 24 to 48 hours if your name was called. You don't have to do anything.
What's that called? Right, Kaiser Zello? 914-500-7484. S&P's just rallied 3. Gold, beautiful long. Oh my God. These 15s are going to turn up on the gold. Type the symbol in. See that? Once these 15s do this, it's over. Gold's going to explode. Unbelievable. S&P's down 6, down 7, 6.5, up 4.
Chat.
Diego Scalper, thank you very much. I'm exhausted. Denny Thank you very much. Again, if anybody wants to come to my live stream, it's a 7-day free pass. Okay. You can just text me at 914-500-7484.
Chat, I'm only going to say this once. If you don't like how I do the rules, you don't have to sign up for the giveaway.
Raphael Trades, have a great night. Queen Mendez, how are you? Take care, whistleblower RIP. Thank you so much. This S&P's right back up. You got to be kidding me. NASDAQ just ran almost more than 20 here. ICT NGL, you're very welcome. Thank you.
Gold is pulling back like that. Is that a good long?
No. No, it's not a good long. S&Ps and NASDAQ, kaboom.
Ray, the rules for signing up for the giveaway is just be here the entire stream. I'll drop the link at any random time. You have 15 minutes to sign up for it. And then if your name is called while we're spinning the wheel, if you're not here within a minute to two, I'm just moving on to the next person. I give everybody here at least 30 seconds to a minute, maybe a little bit longer if the chat is saying that they saw someone reply and I didn't see it reply. I'll give them a little bit longer so I can see them type again. That is how you sign up.
All right, let's see if this gold S&P is going to push up here. We did just get up to 35 on the S&Ps. Come on, this piece of crap.
Yeah, I'm taking my kids trick-or-treating, Ishmi.
Thank you, Apple. Thank you, thank you, thank you. S&Ps just dropped 3. Damn it. So slow here. That was a good short up there. Trump, I'm not allowed to run again based upon information. I love it.
Ray, it's only up for 15 minutes. The 15 minutes has been gone. Steven, Insane asked, what is your custom for Halloween? I think you meant costume.
My costume. It's a Friday night. I'll be shot. My costume would be, I don't know. I'm not really into Halloween, really. Getting dressed up like that.
They said a bear costume.
There you go.
A giant caboose.
That's being creative. I'll get a bear costume. Maybe we should come in with a bear costume on Friday.
They said a candlestick. Chat, you know he hates candlesticks.
Do I know Einstein? No. Candles are for birthday cakes. God. Oh, the Einsteins of Wall Street? No. Who the hell is that? The bagel guy. I can't look at those crazy. I can't look at those crazy colors. My head will explode. We start at 8 and we end at 10. and then I get chopped up in the gold again. No. You're not going to get chopped up because these 15-minute time frames are going to turn up.
Steven,
Right
we're going
here.
over time tonight.
What happened?
I said, are we staying until 10:30 tonight?
No, it's 10 o'clock. I'm exhausted, Denny. All right, everybody. You have a good night. Thank you, Denny. Thank you. I'm going home. Thank you. Can we get to 600-700 tomorrow, please, everybody? Come on. We'll do more raffles. We'll do more giveaways. Michael Jacques, thank you. Thank you, Denny. Thank you, all of you, for coming in tonight. Okay. And God bless you. I'll see you tomorrow. Should be a fun day tomorrow. FOMC at 2, Microsoft, Google, and Meta after the close.
I'm in a competition for tomorrow during FOMC. So
Yeah,
we're about to see how that plays out.
Bo, I say up and then down, up and then down. All right. Have a great night, Denny. Have a great night, everybody. God bless you, and God bless the United States of America. Good night, everybody.
Good night, everyone. See you tomorrow morning.
Play that music.
Yeah. Charts scribbled like hieroglyphs, secrets in the mist. Candlesticks whisper, every wick got a twist. Fibonacci spiral, price dance in a trance. Pyramids of profits if you catch the right glance.
Inner circle move, shadows on the screen. Trading on the edge, chasing that dream. Cipher in the candles, fortune in the haze. The cipher in the riddle, money through the maze.
Liquidity hunt, snipers in the dark. Stop loss graves marked by the market shark. Order block sermons, preaching through the pain. Catch the ICT code, ride the profit train.